Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. Today I have something incredibly exciting to share with you all. In this video, I am bringing you the ultimate sun protection products. Yes, I'm talking about fashion products for outdoors, for sun protection. As you can see, I have a new rack of clothes and accessories right behind me, and these products are from this brand called Beneunder, and here is their original box. I have unboxed everything and put them on this rack, and I'll show you all the details and I'll do the try on haul. So let's get into it. You know, I love skincare. Good skin is everything. Good skin is the best makeup. I have been talking about like physical sun protection in my previous videos, but I haven't really got into the details like what I actually wear outside. But this time I think I found some of my favorite pieces from Beneunder that I actually got to wear like a lot in summer. Wear them like a lot outdoors this season. If you love going outdoors and you want to stay stylish while keeping your skin like healthy, like away from harmful UV rays from the sun, this brand is for you. This time I ordered a lot of these lightweight jackets, and these are my summer essentials. They also have sun protection products like sun hats, sunglasses, like mini fans, a lot of fancy little things that you would actually need for summer. But if you're getting only like 1 or 2 products from Beneunder just to, you know, get a feel of this brand, I would highly recommend lightweight jackets like this. First up, I have this Yunzi women's ultra lightweight jacket. It's perfect for sun protection. It's also very fashion forward. I like how foldable, like lightweight and versatile this piece is. It's perfect for any like outdoor adventures. I got different colors and I like the white one, and it's a very thoughtful piece. You can actually find amazing details with this product. And the mesh back, first of all, you can see this part of the back is mesh. It's very breathable, very comfortable to wear in hot summer days. And on both shoulders, you have the hidden like shoulder openings like this on both sides, and one here, super breathable. These details are like so thoughtful. So you're actually just adding a layer of clothes for some protection, but it won't make you feel like very sweaty, very hot, you know. And here is the black hood, and you have the interior fabric in black. It's totally blocking the sun. So if you happen to not wear your sun hat, I think this one, you know, it's perfect for complete sun protection for your face, forehead, and the neck. And here are 2 like finger holes, which means you can totally protect the back of your hand when you go out. And the front zip is very long. You can zip it all the way to make a face shield. For sun protection, it's got this UPF50 plus. This jacket totally got you covered. I would definitely wear it for like hiking, you know, outdoors for hours in the sun. So you can get a very complete, like total sun protection with a jacket like this. Up next, I have another lightweight jacket. This is Yunzi UV protection jacket, and the color is Galaxy Gray. It's a little bit different from the first one, but I think they have very similar features and details. This one is a little bit shorter than the first one, and this one is also got this beautiful like light color, and the first one is more like creamy white. And I like both colors, and also you can zip up all the way to make a face shield. And also it's got this black fabric on the hood to, you know, block the sun over your head, and which is amazing. And in the back, it's also got this mesh insert, like the mesh fabric in the back. And this piece is also UPF50 plus for sun protection. You don't have to compromise on style. It's all about looking chic while shielding like ourselves from the sun. For me, I really like the choice of fabric of this brand. I feel like these jackets are super lightweight, breathable, foldable, and they're wrinkle free. It's just very easy to work with. They are perfect for outdoors, but they still like look pretty cute. And I also ordered like a couple different styles in different colors just to get a feel of it. And this cute cropped jacket in lavender, I love it. It's very simple, it's very lightweight, again, super smooth on skin, feels silky on the skin. And this piece, I like this mint green. It's so refreshing, and the material, again, super breathable, and it's got a lot of like details for sun protection, and you have the nice like attachable hood like this. It's you know, connected with the zip, and then also you have the glove attached to the sleeve so that you can have the total protection. If you ride a bike in the sun, you can do this. So you got all the fingers and the back of your hand like totally covered. This is so cute. Last but not least, this piece is super lightweight. It's the lightest of all 5 jackets, and I can easily just fold it into like a very small piece, put it in a pouch, and then bring it with me in my purse. And it's very portable, very lightweight, and it just adds a little bit, you know, some protection whenever you want. Next up, let's talk about Beneunder sunglasses. They have a lot of like cool foldable sunglasses. As you can see, these cases, they're like so small, so portable. First up, I have their best sellers, this pair of Wild. Let's unfold it. This style is inspired by Gentle Monster's Her 01. Gentle Monsters is a very trending brand, but they're like a lot more expensive. Beneunder sunglasses with pretty similar styles and quality. They are a lot more affordable. You have to check out their prices. And I think the folding feature, like the foldable feature, really adds value to the product because it's very easy to carry around. You can easily put it in this protective case like this, and it just works for my lifestyle. You know, I have a lot of stuff in my bag, and really I don't want to crush it, and I don't want to bring like a large sunglasses case, so it's nice. And let's try it. These sunglasses are like ultra lightweight, and the legs are like adjustable, so you can do different sizes. They're gender neutral, and again, totally budget friendly. I think after discount, this pair is about like $55. And these sunglasses got UV 400 protective lenses to protect your eyes from the UV rays. And the lenses also reduce reflected glare. They're polarized. And so the next style is even smaller and flatter, and this is so light and slim. Look at this. You can easily fold a pair of sunglasses like this and unfold it. Just this fold and put it back into a small, like slim case like this. And this style is called Slimline Light. It's so impressive. I never saw something like this, like super small, super lightweight, but the quality, like the touch and the feel of the product is still very nice. And let's try the style. All right, so here, this pair is perfect for sometimes when you know, just want to add a touch of sophistication, a little bit some protection to your look. And did I mention like this is very easy to fold, and the legs, you know, they're all like bouncy. How cool is that? Super easy to carry around in a small bag. I have so many mini purses, mini bags. I mean, this case is perfect. And this is my iPhone, and this is the casing, and you know what? It's so small. It's much smaller, almost like a half of my phone. And I have 2 more styles to try, and this one is Clarion. And this style is very sophisticated, but still like pretty feminine and easy to work with, like more on the softer side. How about this look? I think this one is more like soft, easy to work with, good for every day. I like the shade, I like the shape of the lenses. They look soft and more on the feminine side. I would definitely wear these out. What do you think? I would say this style has a classic look with a modern twist. The next style is also leopard brownish, and I like the matte finish of it. It feels a little bit rubbery, and the legs are easy to work with. And the style, okay, another very classic look with nice brown print. It's called leopard print. I love this. It's not like too wild, it's totally wearable. And I like the comfortable fit of all these sunglasses, and the legs, the wrist, everything is like, you know, very manageable and high quality. Okay, so this is this, and I like that all the Beneunder sunglasses have protective case, and they're affordable, lightweight, provide like ultimate sun protection to filter harmful lights, and the lenses feel comfortable. I don't feel any dizzy or anything. I can wear these like for hours, I guess. Overall, I think I like Beneunder sunglasses, the details, the functionality, and the look of these sunglasses, and they look good. They are also like providing good sun protection, which I really appreciate. And also everything is adjustable, foldable, come with nice casing. Most of these styles are gender neutral. I like that, and also the styles are more fashion forward than a lot of sports sunglasses brands. So if you like Gentle Monster, for example, like some of these trendy popular designer brands, and you definitely want to check out these foldable versions by Beneunder. Now let's move on to the sun hats. I have 3 different products. First up, I have this Ranyee UV protection baseball cap. I have this color black. It's pretty cool. I love the size of it. It's adjustable in the back, very comfortable fit. I think this style is really, you know, something called sporty chic. It's also got sun protection, UPF50 plus, so you are ready to rock any outdoor activities with this hat. So the back is like adjustable strap like this, and it's also lightweight, but I feel the quality is nice. It's got a different color, which is cute. It doesn't get me sweaty, and the air loop cooling technology just makes the whole hat like very breathable, and you don't really sweat a lot in it. This is nice. And overall, I think the size and the design of it makes it very feminine. It's sporty, but like trendy feminine. They all like look so cute. I'm wondering if they would launch something like Barbie pink cap in the future. That would be cute. Last but not least, I have 2 sun hats. These are the Movo women's sun visor hats, and I like the simple design of these 2 hats. Again, they're super lightweight. I think this style is all about sophistication, elegance. At the same time, it's very simple. And I just realized that many designer brands are making visor hats this summer, and this is perfect for like a pool day, poolside days. You look fun and glamorous. And this one, I think it's only about like $45 or so. You get very high quality, like nicely designed visor hat for under 50. And the fabric feels pretty silky and smooth, and the interior is like very comfortable fabric. I love this. I also like the size of it. I mean, it's very small. I can fit one of those in my purse. Okay, that's everything for today's video. That's a wrap on the Beneunder sun protection clothing accessories try on haul. I hope you found some essential pieces to be added to your summer wardrobe. I like that with Beneunder's like very simple, very minimal equipment, I can easily protect my skin from premature aging and prevent any skin cancer. You know, sun protection is a big part of summer skincare. While I would use like sunscreen, you do the spray, you apply lotion, you do all these protective, you know, steps to protect your skin, but you can easily wear something just to physically block the sun. Beneunder is really nice, very simple, very minimal, and fashionable. At the same time, you check their price tag, you'll like them. They're very affordable. And for me, for summer outdoors, I think these products are already my summer essentials. Again, don't forget to check the links in the description box. I have linked all the products I mentioned today in this video, along with some items in my wish list. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are staying safe and stylish under the sun this summer. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!